So today we will be discussing a simple project in which you have to select a candidate for a job role. And one of this issue that the workflow solve is that it easily screens out the CV for you. So for the I set some variables in this. So here's the CV. This is the link to the file, and this is the basic CV of like a generic CV. And um, and this is the job description, and let me show you the job description. So this is what our position require, and this is the system prompt that we will be using, and this is what our agent will be outputting is a basic JSON schema in which we have readable things about the candidate that will help us understand whether the candidate is suitable for the job position or not. So what we did at first, we downloaded the file. So we just get, and this is a URL, and simply what it did, it was download the file. Next thing we did is another node which extracts from the PDF, and this is the JSON and schema of the whole file. So then we made our AI agent, and for now I'm using the OpenAI chat model, and we are using 4 Mini. And this is a window buffer to conserve memory. So this is our AI agent. This is the prompt in which I mentioned in the set variables in which we have the prompt and the data and everything. So this is the prompt that we will be using. Um, Prompt. This is a user prompt, which is the CV of the candidate, and this is a system message that we are using. First, I use a system prompt, and I told it that this is the job description, all available in the edit description node. And I told the agent that this is the output I want, in which this is the specific JSON format. Next thing we did was add the parse JSON. What it does, it extracts the JSON and converts it into a suitable form. So this was the JSON that I parsed, and wait, let me show you. So it shows us the evaluation of our candidate, in which it tells us a summary, the reason, like all mentioned in the CV. It tells about like John has experience with AWS Azure fulfilling, and in the end, it also tells us like all the reasons, and like this, like one of our requirement was that prompt engineering. So based on the CV, our AI agent told us that the user has lack of NLP knowledge experience, no experience with prompt tools and company fit. So this is a simple way and how you can screen multiple projects. Since I'm using a link, you can make a node in which you have multiple, even hundreds and two hundreds of this CVs, and you can just loop it through them and extract documents and just give it to the agent one by one, and you'll get a parse JSON of those multiple CV, and it will be much easier for you to screen the CV instead of reading it one by one. Thank you.